Hey, good morning and welcome back to the channel. This is Lance with Lance's Auto Vlog, and I got another project I'm working on. So the customer has a Porsche 914 and he wanted to do a radio upgrade, which the radio was not that complicated. We had to modify the dash a little bit, but it took a dent hole. And he has these panels right here for a 6.5. So with a 6.5 that he had in here originally was this Kenwood, which is a very simple Kenwood radio, Kenwood speaker. And when it fits in here with the grill, it fits without a problem. But he wanted to upgrade to a better sounding speaker, which would be these. So we ran into a challenge here. These speakers with the grill in here, or I should say with this grill on here, it overlaps the corners. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna modify this panel here, and to make it so a new speaker will fit on here. What that's going to take is we're going to take a drill, we're going to drill some holes in here. So the material we're going to use is Bondo, and then we're going to put the trim piece on, take that off, and then we're going to fill that with Bondo. So I'm going to take you step by step on how we do that, just so we can put a bigger speaker in there, and I'll show you what the end result is. Okay, hang tight. So we haven't taped it off yet, but we sanded the panel down. And then the next step is to drill holes in the panel to accommodate the material to stick to it when we decide to Bondo it. But this is basically where you want to start off. You want to get a good sanding on it, so whatever you do bites. And then we'll drill holes in it with a drill bit, and then I'll show you that once we get to that part. I took the panel and after I drilled the holes, I bonded it, took 2 coats on it. And you see how the Bondo seeps into the holes here. And it went into there like so. And then I sanded it with 80 grit because, you know, it came out pretty smooth. And you'll see the finished product, but I gotta vinyl wrap this piece and get it together and ship it out. Or actually go put it in the car. And I'll show you an image of what it looks like in the car with the speaker in it. So we got the panels all wrapped right there. We just made that panel bigger so the speaker fits in there like it's supposed to. Blades over at the corners. That's the radio. Like I said, this was already pre-cut. The way to do is just file the dash down a little bit, this little piece here. And we got a Bluetooth mic over here. I think I gotta secure that better, but I gotta make that look better. But that's really a wrap. So this Porsche is got a nice stereo, very simple, 2-channel. You could have went in the doors, but this car's already been restored. So we just gotta put one little piece on it and we're done. So stay tuned for more videos. This is a 914 Porsche